Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play with Kibo. First, ensure your Kibo robot is fully charged and ready for action. Kibo is a fantastic screen-free, programmable robot designed for children aged 4 to 7 years old. It uses a unique system of wooden blocks with barcodes to create sequences of commands, making coding tangible and fun. Begin by assembling your Kibo robot, connecting the body, wheels, and any desired sensors securely. Now, let's program Kibo's actions. Kibo uses special wooden blocks, each representing a different command like move forward or turn left. Arrange these blocks in the order you want Kibo to perform them. Then, use Kibo's built-in scanner to scan each block's barcode. As you scan, Kibo records the program, building a sequence of instructions for its movements and behaviors. This hands-on method makes learning to code intuitive. Once your program is scanned, it's time to see Kibo in action. Simply press the large green button located on Kibo's body. Kibo will then execute the sequence of commands you just programmed, moving, spinning, or interacting with its environment based on your instructions. If Kibo doesn't perform exactly as you envisioned, don't worry. This is a great opportunity to debug your program by rearranging the blocks and trying again. Learning through experimentation is key. To enhance your Kibo play, explore its various accessories and sensors. You can add light, sound, or distance sensors to give Kibo more complex behaviors and reactions to its surroundings. Kibo can also be used with art platforms and markers to create drawings, adding an artistic dimension to your coding. As you become more comfortable, try incorporating advanced programming concepts like loops and conditional blocks to create even more sophisticated and engaging programs. The possibilities are truly endless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.